Dino D, American in the Philippines YouTube channel. So apparently poor planning happens a lot here in the Philippines. So my partner has a 7-year-old niece. Her birthday party, her birthday's on the 12th. She's supposed to go there, I think tomorrow after work around 7 p.m. And she wants to start pulling and say happy birthday. Well, you know what this is, and she wants to go on Saturday. Oh, so we try to find place, or I did on Google for her. Problem is, she does not have pictures of 7-year-olds, only from 1 to a 3-year-old. So that got canceled. And it's raining here in Butuan City. Pretty hard. So we capture a tricycle finally, but he only takes us like halfway home, not to the SMO and not all the way to San Vicente. So now she is standing out in the rain. I'm not sure why. So there's the rain. There she is hanging out in the rain over there by the side of the road. I don't know if she's thinking about trying to get us a tricycle for San Vicente or SMO, I'm not sure. Sooner or later, I'm sure I'll find out. But usually there's many tricycles. Kind of short on tricycles tonight. Maybe because it's nighttime. Oh, there's one on the other side of the road. I'm not sure where she went to. On the other side of the car, SUV. There she is. And she is not happy because she fucked up. But you know, you should have thought about this maybe on Wednesday. I'm sorry, not Friday night, the day before she's going to donkey ass to her mother's house, where the niece lives at. And now she cannot get a tricycle to stop. You have to stand in front of them, I think. That's what I did before. I stand out in the middle of the road. Should I go ask where we are going next? I have to use the bathroom to pee. Load the car, SUV, that ain't gonna happen. All the tricycles seem to be on the other side of the road for some reason. There's another one there. But they're not stopping. There's another one. I'm sure she'll flag me down when she finds one, if she finds one. Or we're going to be walking home 3 kilometers in the rain. I think she noticed the phone. With herself, so she's now temple. I mean, she's not going to talk to me. Let's go walk out in the rain and find out what she's up to. If she'll talk to me. Where did she go? Oh. Honey, where do we go? Where do we go? Okay. I tried to help. That's Baja. This is why we wanted to buy a Baja, because of the rain, especially in the month of October and November and December is a lot of rain. There's tricycle. Hey, it has yellow. Hey, look, they pull right there.
We'll leave you here.
You leave me here?
Yeah.
Thanks. I walk home. Yeah, I'll probably get there first. I have to pee. I need to pee. Tricycle not stop. What is their problem? Anyways, that's the end of this little video. Thanks. Stranded in Butuan. So we finally got a tricycle. It has to have yellow on the side. That means it can go to San Vicente area.